Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring your site is backed up and running the latest WordPress and theme updates, because schema changes must sit on a stable base. Once done, install a dedicated schema plugin or enable a child theme for snippets. This gives you safe control. Make sure you've listed content types and required fields, title, description, image, dates, so when you create a schema type, you won't be guessing which properties to map. Now map schema to content. Pick the correct type for each post or page, for example article for blog posts or product for listings, because accurate types drive rich results. Then map your title, description, image, price, and other fields to schema properties and set sensible defaults when metadata is absent. Once configured, preview the generated JSON LD inside the plugin and run it through a validation tool to catch structural errors before you push changes live. Publish changes on staging and then to production during low-traffic windows so you can quickly roll back if needed. After publishing, monitor Google Search Console for enhancement reports and watch indexing status to confirm appearance of rich results. If problems come up, like missing required properties or type mismatches, revert to your prior state, correct the mapping or metadata, and revalidate. This ensures you fix the root cause instead of masking symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.